Medical marijuana and concealed carry in Ohio, a legal tightrope. Are you a medical marijuana user in Ohio dreaming about carrying a concealed weapon? Think again. Today we're diving into the tangled web of Ohio's gun laws and how they clash with federal rules when you mix medical marijuana and firearms. Buckle up, it's a legal roller coaster. Imagine you're in Ohio, finding relief from chronic pain through medical marijuana. Simultaneously, you're a staunch supporter of the Second Amendment. You're thinking, why not apply for a concealed carry permit? But hold on. There's a twist in this tale due to your medical marijuana card. Here's where it gets complicated. In Ohio, using marijuana for medical reasons is legal. But wait, the plot thickens. The federal government still considers marijuana a controlled substance. This odd clash between state freedom and federal restrictions brings us to a crucial point. Can you really have both a medical marijuana card and a concealed carry permit? Spoiler alert, it's not a walk in the park. So, you're ready to apply for that concealed carry permit, right? But hold your horses. The application form has a curveball. It asks about drug use, including marijuana, which is still illegal under federal law. And let's not forget, lying on this application is a big no-no, a felony in fact. You're in a legal labyrinth, balancing Ohio's green light for medical marijuana and the federal government's red light for gun ownership. In conclusion, if you're an Ohioan with a medical marijuana card wanting to carry a concealed weapon, you're walking a legal tightrope. Sure, Ohio might say go ahead, but Uncle Sam says not so fast. It's a decision that's not just about rights, but about navigating a complex legal landscape. So before you make a move, think it through. Maybe even consult a legal eagle. After all, it's better to be safe than sorry in this high-stakes game of laws and liberties. Got thoughts or experiences on this topic? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal puzzles and solutions. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next video.